Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in outdoor gear. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best Aqua Marina paddle board, the SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. Whether you're a seasoned paddler or just getting started, this board promises to elevate your experience on the water. So, let's dive in and see what makes this paddle board stand out from the crowd. The SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board is designed with stability in mind. It features a wide, non-slip deck that gives you maximum balance and control, making it perfect for all skill levels. Whether you're cruising across calm lakes or exploring rivers, this board offers the support you need to feel confident on the water. One of the highlights of this paddle board is its versatility. You can take it anywhere, from oceans to lakes, and even pools. Whether you're into fishing, yoga, sightseeing, or just paddling for fun, this board has you covered. It's not just about performance, it's about providing a comfortable and secure experience, which is why the anti-slip deck is a game changer. You'll feel safe and comfortable no matter how long you're on the water. Now, let's talk about durability. The SereneLife board is crafted from ultra-lightweight, double-layer drop-stitch reinforced PVC. This material makes it both puncture-resistant and sturdy, so you can paddle with peace of mind. At just 13.9 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy carrying but strong enough to handle the elements. Once you're done, it deflates for compact storage, making it easy to store when you're not using it. But what's included in the package? The SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board comes with everything you need to get started. You get an oar paddle, a dual-action pump for fast inflation, a coiled ankle leash for safety, a patch repair kit, and a carry bag for easy transport. It's truly a complete set for anyone ready to hit the water right out of the box. The 10 feet 6 inches size gives you enough room to move around, and the 3 removable bottom fins enhance speed and steering precision, giving you complete control while paddling. Whether you're new to paddle boarding or an experienced rider, this board will keep you stable while making your time on the water much more enjoyable. To wrap it up, the SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board is an all-around winner for those who want performance, durability, and convenience. It's built to last, designed for comfort, and comes with everything you need to make your paddle boarding experience memorable. If you're looking for a top-tier board that offers both ease of use and quality, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Until next time, happy paddling!